Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the source. Verify the domain is active and its authoritative name servers are correct. Once done, query the authoritative server directly. This isolates registrant versus local cache issues. Make sure you have admin rights on your machine and router, and note 2 public DNS addresses like 8, 8, 8, 8 and 1, 1, 1, 1. Now run an authoritative DNS query if that returns the record. The problem is local or ISB cache. If not, the zone needs fixing at the registrar or DNS host. You now remove local obstacles, flush the DNS cache, and restart the DNS client service or network manager. This forces fresh lookups. Next, change your system or router DNS to a reliable public resolver like 8, 8, 8, 8 or 1, 1, 1. 1 to bypass ISB cache, then test with dig or ENS lookup to the authoritative server and to the public resolver. Also check the host's file for any hard-coded entries that map the domain to a wrong IP and remove them. Once done, test again to confirm resolution. You complete the fix by correcting the DNS zone if the authoritative server lacks the right or NS records. Update records, increment the SOA serial, and save. Once saved, allow propagation and requery the authoritative server to confirm the record exists server-side. If the authoritative server is correct but clients still see Nxdomain, collect detailed dig/ens lookup traces, include timestamps, and contact your registrar or DNS provider. Have your logs ready so they can pinpoint delegation or glue record issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.